Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the obvious, but do it fast. Make sure YouTube's player volume and your system volume aren't muted. Next, open your OS sound mixer and confirm the browser or YouTube app is at a normal level so you're not chasing a false problem. Once done, temporarily disable any audio-related extensions or plugins because they often override player settings. You want a clean baseline before deeper fixes. Now you move into targeted troubleshooting. Open YouTube in incognito or a different browser to rule out profile or extension interference. While there, clear the cache and update your audio drivers or app. Outdated drivers can reduce volume or cause weird behavior. Also, check sound enhancement settings in your OS and any equalizer apps. They can lower perceived volume. Make sure playback speed and caption audio settings aren't affecting loudness, and test with different video qualities. Finish by resetting the YouTube app or browser settings to defaults, and if that fails, reinstalling the app because corrupted settings often persist. Then test sound on headphones and another device to determine if the issue is hardware-specific. If headphones work, your speakers or amp need attention. If nothing helps, check system audio codecs and install pending OS updates since codec bugs can muffle sound. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, create a clean user profile. That isolates account-level settings, causing low volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.